may paghihigpit po ba ng security dito sa House of Representatives given na meron pong binitiwang threat laban kay Speaker Martin Romualdez?
Yes, yes. Nag-double security kami. Tapos, meron din kaming information na darating dito si PP.
Sure. Paano
Kaya-
paano double security? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Paano yun, sir?
Well, ang nag-augment sa amin yung PNP. Kasi hindi naman kami makaka-hire ng additional, no? So, pagka may additional security requirements, we always ask the PNP to beef up our security.
Saan yung double security, sir? Sa perimeter?
Both. In and out.
Pati yung posting ba ni Speaker, dinobering na security?
Hindi naman.
Sir,
Same pa rin.
may red alert ba? Ganon? May ganong factor?